Hey y'all, in that last video of mine and Trav's a week, we made it to Staniel Key and Big Majors. We got to hang out with the original swimming pigs, explored some really beautiful islands, and even made it to James Bond Thunderball Grotto. In this next video, we're going to explore everything Black Point. So I hope you guys stick around and enjoy it. And just like that, we've made it to Black Point. And now it's time to go explore. We got our trash, we got our laundry, and we're gonna go explore Black Point. We're here at the government dock, dropping off trash. And just like that, trash is dropped. They do have a trailer out front that you drop your trash in and ask for a donation, which there is a donation box out front to put your donation in. Now we have to figure out a way to get out of this dinghy maze. So we're having to go get tokens for the laundromat. Because they weren't there. We got to go over to Adderley's and get the tokens.
I'll trust you tomorrow, buddy.
Can you think of anything we need? We could take it to the boat before we go to the cave. Ooh, yeah, we can do that. That's fun. This is all we need. One for washer and one for dryer.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. Have a good day. You too. Thank you. I'm not used to driving on the wrong side of the road.
You're not driving, you're walking.
Walking, driving. Time to go do some laundry. Laundry. So that's incredible. Oh, that's so pretty. Do you sell your baskets?
Yeah, but we just making these putting together something now for the supermarket.
I
Okay.
gotcha.
You ever been to the supermarket?
Haven't yet.
Where's that?
It's over
That's
there.
in Nassau.
Oh, in Nassau.
Yeah,
Okay.
Ship demonstration.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, this is the ship here, and that's the supermarket.
Gotcha.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Well, we appreciate it. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have a good day.
Welcome.
Are you loving this weather?
Yeah, I'm actually sweating. How is it feeling in Arkansas right now?
That looks like a pretty fun place.
We're gonna have to go there in a little while.
That is
Lorraine.
Lorraine's. We will be going to Lorraine's later for dinner, and we'll let you know. We'll let you guys know how it is.
Right now we're headed to Lorraine's mom's
Right now, we're headed to Lorraine's mom's
house.
to go get some fresh bread.
She makes fresh bread inside her house.
Bread as well.
Yes. Am I going the right direction?
Yes. It's just knock on this door right here. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
I've heard so much about your bread. And
Well, all I had this morning is finished. I'm just working on some more now.
Oh.
I
Okay.
had hour and a half to 2 hours. I should have this ready.
Okay. Okay. 2 hours.
Still here.
Oh,
The boat's still
okay.
here. I'll come back.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Already I had, this was colored bread.
Oh my goodness.
Everything, all the boat is full. They just come and grab
Hey,
it.
just come and grab it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
We'll see you in about an hour and a half.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
It is 1:30, so at 3:30 we'll come back and get some coconut bread. Or at 3. Yeah, we don't want to be late. We'll wait. So I guess now we're just going to go check on our laundry, see if it's done. And then I think we're going to hop in the dinghy and go to Dinghy Cave before the tide comes up.
A dinghy deal?
Let's go check out the dinghy deal. That's really cool. But I heard it doesn't have a moat around it, which is a bummer. Okay, in my defense, I wasn't thinking that the ocean was the moat. We'd go explore, but I think we're gonna keep looking for the Dinghy Cave.
Look at that cloud.
Womp, 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 womp. Womp, womp, womp. Okay, from my understanding, I thought we were gonna actually like go through a cave, but I think this is just like a hole you can drive your dinghy up in. I'm not really sure. He's not really sure, but we're gonna just say we did it. It is kind of cool. We are up in the cave. That's actually really cool. And look how crystal clear that water is, y'all. Wait a minute, let me see if I can zoom in on the seashell. It's probably a good 15 foot deep here. Or 20. Travis said closer to 20. It's amazing. But look at that cloud in the background.
Time to go.
Time to go. That's kind of cool. Whether we found it or not, we found something and we like it. Now it's time to finish laundry and go get fresh bread before dinner. What does that smell like? Hi.
Good.
I know I hear them tap on the door.
Oh.
Okay.
We were just seeing if your bread was ready.
It's still hot, but you could come.
Okay.
Yeah, I heard a little tap, but I have this on and I wasn't really.
Pain, yeah.
Okay. What you said, what you wanted now?
I know we wanted a coconut.
Yeah. We heard the coconut's pretty good.
We want 1 or 2.
Oh, it's good.
It's
Now
all
this is a
good.
regular and this can be a coconut.
Oh,
Now I can tell you
yes.
what you can do if you really want your bread and if you have enough space in your freezer.
Okay.
You can half this
Okay.
and keep a half for you to eat and put a half up for. And you can do the same thing.
Let's do that.
This is really hot. So when you all get back, just
Open
take
it.
it over
Open
there.
it up.
And just let it stay on the napkin.
Okay.
So
Yes. This is some of your coconut.
this is the fresh coconut that I'm gonna put it in the machine, grind it up, and then this is how it's gonna look when it's done grind and I cook it. This is what goes into the bread. So this is what you're gonna see in the bread when you cut it.
Oh, wow.
And this is only cooked with water and sugar.
Really?
I tried to make bread one day.
Didn't work out real
It
well.
didn't work out too well.
It smells so good in there.
It smells like heaven in there. I'm so excited, y'all. We got our coconut bread and we're gonna get some more tomorrow. Ah. My chariot awaits.
chariot awaits.
I got a renter calling. Work happens. Can't play without work, right? This is Melinda. As I take the work call, Travis gets us back to the boat. We take the coconut bread back, open it up, close the hatches because of those clouds. They kind of look bad, and we take off and go explore again. So mission, get the coconut bread from Lorraine's mama was a success. Completely fresh. It's so fresh that it's still steamy, so she told me to let it air. And so we will have coconut bread tonight for dessert. Now we have to go around closing all the hatches before we try to go to the blowhole or dinner, because look at this. Looks like there is a bit of moisture in that cloud. So we are just going around and closing all of our hatches, getting it all locked up. And then it's off for more adventures. So this is us trying to find the blowhole. Okay, coming up. See if we can find this blowhole.
Looks like the local dump.
Yeah. Nobody shows the trash in the videos. Oh well. There's a lot of trash around it though.
There it is.
Whoa! Oh man! I just got so...
Try and get that good footage. Oh yeah, she's gonna get soaked.
I did get soaked. PSA for everybody out there that comes to the blowhole. When you see videos of the blowhole, you see the pool, you see the swishies, everybody shows you all that, but nobody ever shows you this. Do better, people.
Do you notice that the only thing you see is plastic?
Plastic.
Don't see any paper. So when you go to the grocery store, ask for paper bags instead of plastic.
Especially at Kroger, you can do that. They have plastic out, but they have paper everywhere. Ask for paper, y'all. This was absolutely beautiful, and it is still beautiful in its own way, but look at all the trash around it. I'm glad we came to see this, for sure. Trash and all. This was really cool. But look at our walk back. And I know a lot of this is not from our cruising groups. So just be mindful, people. Just be mindful of what you're doing. The blowhole was neat. Now it's time for dinner. I've been waiting.
Was neat. Now it's time to eat.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, our first and only impression was A+. You have to come here. It is my favorite island by far. Yeah, I don't have any other words for it. Everything is perfect, gorgeous. Everyone is beautiful. The drinks are strong. The food is delicious. Y'all, Black Point's the place to be, 100%. I don't have any other words for it.
Sell everything we got, move here.
Back home we go. Y'all, look at the sunset. Okay, wait, I was gonna end the video, but look.
We got up this morning, tried the coconut bread. So now we're in the dinghy and we're headed for more. That stuff is amazing.
So good. I wish I could package it up and send it home.
We even just rearranged the freezer so we could see exactly like how much we could put in there. So we're going to buy as much as possible. So it's a pretty day today. We are still at Black Point. We're going to go grab bread and come back to the boat, pull anchor, and we're going to head up toward Johnny Depp's island, go see the aquarium. We can get up at high tide and go check out Rachel's bubble bath. Ready to do this?
Let's do it. So, project cinnamon bread was a success.
We got the goods.
Cinnamon bread and coconut. So peaceful. As much as we didn't want to leave Black Point, it was time to say our see you laters and keep exploring. So we made our way back to Blue Horizon, pulled anchor, threw up our sails, and headed toward Compass Key. Y'all, I can't stress enough how nice everyone is here and how much this island relies on the cruisers that frequent it. So stop by, do some laundry, grab some coconut bread, have a drink, and enjoy one of Exuma's most amazing islands. We really hope you guys enjoyed our time at Black Point, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, before you leave, hit that like and subscribe button. You're graciously helping us by doing so, and it's free. So again, thanks y'all. We appreciate you hanging out with us, and we'll see y'all next time at Compass Key.